Do you have an internal pathing error with the gutil140.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability. This DLL file is a Google utility library often bundled with Google Chrome and other Google applications. It contains shared internal routines for data handling and system integration required for consistent performance. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The gutil140.dll is a key part of the Chrome runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Chrome will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the gutil140 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Please use caution. Replacing the gutil140.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for the gutil140. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Chrome workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.